look, I love them. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Destiny. Those of you who've been subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. And I just want to show you all how I press on my nails. I feel like whenever I press them on, they last for about a week. And these nails, I don't know if it's something in the glue, but they've actually lasted for about 2 weeks, well, like close to 2 weeks. And these nails are from Static Nails in the color Soft Pink, and the shape is Long Coffin. And in the kit, there are 30 universal nails in 15 sizes. This video is not sponsored, by the way, okay? I'm just practicing. So in the kit, there are 30 universal nails in 15 sizes, so they can fit average, petite, and larger size nails. And inside of the package, there is a nail buffer and a nail file, the Static Nails non-damaging glue, and on the back of the packaging, you can find all of the instructions. So I usually start off by filing and buffing my nails, and I believe the black side is for buffing and the pink side is for filing, but as you can see in the video, I use them interchangeably because honestly, I don't know which one is which. And I start by filing my nails into the shape that I want them, and I also buff and file my nail beds as well. And I buff my nail beds because I feel like when I'm filing the nail beds or buffing them, the grooves that it creates, it leaves room for more glue to lay on top of my nail, and I just feel like it helps my press-ons to stay on longer. I'm not exactly sure if that's true or not, but that's just what I do. And after buffing and filing my nails, I figure out which size press-on is the best fit for my nail, and they are also numbered. So that's great too, because you could just match up with your other hand if your hands and your fingers are the same size. And after I size everything up, I use nail polish remover to get all of the oil and extra debris off my nails. And then that's when I start gluing. I add the glue to the press-on nail and my nail bed separately and wait about 15 seconds so that way when I press it on, the glue isn't dripping everywhere. But after 15 seconds, I feel like that's a good amount of time. And then I press them on together, and it still may be glue like seeping out of your nails, but just be careful not to glue your finger to your nail and your other finger. I mean, you could get it off, but it's just not the best feeling. And I hold that for about 30 seconds and then just keep going until I'm done. And the last step is using melanin hair care oil as my cuticle oil and my hand lotion. And there was one step that I sometimes do but I didn't do in this video, and that's push my cuticles back, and that just helps your nail bed to look even longer and make your nails look longer. And other than that, that was it. And I really like these nails. I feel like I don't really wear long nails a lot because I'm always typing or working or I break them. But with these, I just felt like they were affordable, and if I wanted to change around or change my mind about how I wanted my nails styled, I can just do that, because I'm the type, I want long nails one day, short nails one day, I want coffin one day, I want stiletto the next, and that costs a lot if you're going to the nail salon. So this just helps me to experiment and save some money while I'm doing it, and I like them, so I'm gonna keep buying these. That's all I have for you all. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Drop your press-on nail tips and tricks that you know, because maybe it could help somebody else. I hope I was able to help somebody. And I will, oh, before I forget, make sure if you made it this far, if you like my little voiceover going on here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video.